That's that G3 with that 30 dick, man, I call that bitch my friend. Okay. Now I'm in the country with my cousins, turning up the party. I'm sliding in a double S, he whipped that bitch up, go retarded. Her ass fat, just like Cardi, natural, just like a Barbie.
Go ahead. You baby tapping that motherfucker.
That hotel right there.
Man, fuck that hotel. Ain't nobody never got them pimps and tricks in that motherfucker. Hey, I really think Bone ducking your shit, bro.
He really is, bro.
His shit slow as fuck, ain't it?
Yeah, come here, bro. Quarter intake, right?
Kodak intake, yeah.
TwinTurbos.
Twin turbos.
They be already tuned, 93 tuned. He just don't want it, man.
Scared, bro. He's scared, bro.
See that video on my YouTube, man. Start SS, watch this, man. What can I say?
You feel me? Hey, I'm gonna put Jonas' YouTube in the description. Y'all boys go watch that boy race the SS and goddamn now he ducking. You feel me? Ain't even nothing regular done to the body. Everything on the inside. Catch that boy on the road. Hey, so me and Ivan finna do like a comparison for the exhaust. Keep in mind though, hey bro, ain't your cat's gutted? Your cat's gutted. Oh, your cat's gutted. Anyways, hey, he got long tube pedals. I'm telling you, his cats might be gutted. Or he ain't got no resonators. And a full exhaust. I'm just cat back, so you see this comparison. You feel me? I told you, bro. I told you. That boy funny as hell, boy. Yeah, for sure though. But hey, just keep in mind, his rail limiter to go way past mine too, though. But yeah.
Hey, turn it off. Whose is on? Yours?
I don't know. Crank your shit up and just start ripping.
Oh, shit. For a video day. Oh shit, my fault.
They running through it.
And that's the only thing about riding in traffic, bro. Everybody be getting caught at lights and shit. Goddamn, CJ. Kiss my bumper, boy. Shit. Catch us on the road. Finna get them boys some rollers like always.
Where?
They just went across the light.
Oh shit.
You didn't see that, boy.
Yeah, I know I see that.
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
This could be undercover right here, bro. We know.
He said, yeah, I got me some. They gonna rock their bitch.
Let y'all folks know how much it costs to fill it up. I ain't really on the way on empty, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill up. Right now I do daily driving, so y'all gonna see how much it take to fill this mug up. Man, it's like month 3. Check engine light still on. Still haven't got a tune, bro. Shit ass. It's probably gonna take like 40, 45. Shit gonna last like 3 days. Be back up here. 40, 45. Still going, man. Sheesh. I wasn't even on E, bro. Mind you that. I wasn't even on E, bro. That's crazy. It's only $4 a gallon for real. Alright, so about 52. Yeah. I ain't putting. Yeah. Over with. 52. So the goddamn. That's how much it costs to daily drive this. Every 3 to 4 days, you're gonna be at a gas station, boy. But this is what you sign up for when you get a V8, motherfucker.
That G3 with that 30 dick, man, I call that bitch my friend. Now I'm in the country with my cousin, turning up the party. I'm sliding in a double S, he whip that bitch up, go retarded. Her ass fat, just like Cardi, natural, just like a Barbie. This